How's it going, everyone? Today, I'm gonna be unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. So, if you see the Mario Kart World game on this box, then this is a special edition. So now I'm gonna open up and show you what's there. Okay, so here we have the Joy-Cons. So those are very special Joy-Cons because it's not like the Joy-Cons you grew up with on the Nintendo Switch 1. See, instead of sliding them in, they attach magnetically. Here, just watch this.
Okay, I will tell you. Okay.
1 second. See? It's like right there. And there's also this controller attachment, like this one here. So basically, in order to detach this one, you better press this button right here. So this part here, it pushes it off, and in case you're playing on TV or tabletop mode, you can just place this Joy-Con right here. And it goes right here. Oh, and I would like you to know that this new button right here is the chat button, which means if you press it while playing online, you can chat with other players when you play. Anyways, there's something more here. So this Nintendo Switch 2 is really special because it has this code that you can input and you can play this Mario Kart game if you do. And we have the USB cable, and these are special Joy-Con straps. Now, okay. So you can, just like how you saw the Joy-Cons attached to the screen, you can you can attach it like this, and it can be used as a mouse. Impressive, isn't it? And also the next part here. Let's see. I pull it up here, and there's another one for the left one. So it's hard to do it with. Just press it there and deattach it, and let me see. Okay, attach it right here. There. And now you have two mouses. So you can slide them like it's, I mean, take a look at this. Two mouse controllers. Can you imagine that? And now that we finished this part, it's time to move on to the final one. The dock. Do you see this big load? Yeah. And at the back here is where you plug the stuff here, and you can see that it has a built-in cooler, so it won't overheat. Anyways, it's time to turn this thing on. Just 1 second. Okay, let's turn it on and see what happens. And here we have the title, Nintendo Switch 2. Anyways, I'm picking, the language I want is English. I got this in Hong Kong. Okay, internet settings. So I click www. So yeah, I don't have time to type in the password, so I'm just gonna edit right here. Thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. This is the first unboxing video I have on my channel, and I might do more unboxing videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.